Real hard work goes, man. So, you know, it makes me feel beautiful inside and even more wonderful. Trust me, you know. Yeah, because the beauty of them, it attracts me deeply inside, man. So, you know, I see all my efforts that go straight out, all my labor, you know, knowing that it reaches these stages so I can able to harvest. Trust me, makes me feel fabulous. Them, man, they are here for you to see. The beauty is in the eyes of the beholder, so you behold all the beauty that your eyes can behold. Remember that, you know, because it's here today, it's not have to be tomorrow. For me say yes in the evening, three friend check me. Say them want to see somebody wonderful sensei. Can them come see the veil in the veils. Yes, man, them say me work in perform skill. Money we them have the man them well marvelous because them say they never know how some me work fabulous. Me talk about the sensei. The man them say it's spicy. Them just feel like eating. But me just give them two bud and say roll two spliff with the. Them in the feeling nobody come near me. Just left it to me and make me reap it tomorrow. Because you know so straight up I saw the weed go. It take me enough time to see the weed grow. So I just spicy weed because the nicest weed, you know? Yeah, just like that. Any with two pump shot. Any with two pump shot. Boom, boom, boom. Come on. That's how we go.